Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, O level mathematics 4024. Question 1, 21 October November 16, and the statement of the question is: in 2016, the price of a television is $19.95. Afzal pays the $19.95 with the deposit of $3.99 and 12 equal monthly payments. Calculate Afzal's monthly payment. So students, monthly payment will be equal to $19.95 minus deposit, that is $3.99, and rest amount is equally divided into 12 installments, so it will be divided by 2. First we subtract $3.99 from 1995 minus $3.99, and then we have to put equal sign and divide it with 12, and the monthly installment will be $133. So students, monthly installment is $133. Second part is, what percentage of $19.90 is $3.39? So students, percentage will be equal to $3.99 over $19.95 multiplied by 100%. Dollar will be cancelled with dollar. Now multiply $3.99 with 100 and divide it with 19.95, and you will get 20%, and it is 20%. So the answer is 20. Third part of A part is, the price of television in 2016 is 5% more than the price in 2015. Calculate the price in 2015. So students, we suppose that the price of television in 2015 is $X, and in 2016 the price is $19.95, which is 5% more than the price in 2015. So students, we suppose that the price in 2015 is X. Now students, price in 2016 in 5% more than the price in 2016, so 5% will be included in 100%. 5% will be included in 100%. 5% will be included of X, and it is equal to $19.95. 100 plus 5 mean 105 over 100 for the percentage, multiply by X is equal to $19.95, and the value of X will be $19.95 multiplied by 100 divided by 105. Now use your calculator. 1995 multiplied by 100 divided by 105, and the answer is $1900. So the value of X is 1900. B part of the same question is, Afzal watched a program that lasted 2 hours and 53 minutes. It ended at 115 hours. At what time did it start? So it is better for us to use a number line to find the starting time. So students, it is the number line, and ending time is 115 hours. So we will subtract 15 minutes from 2 hours and 53 minutes, and we will have 2 hours and 38 minutes left when we subtract 15 minutes to make it 100 hour, and before 100 hour the time will be 0 100 hours, and before one more hour it will be 2300 hours, and then we have to subtract 38 minutes from 2300 hours, and we will get 2200 hours and 22 minutes. So students, the starting time is 2200 hours and 22 minutes previous day. The other method is we will add 2400 hours in 115 hours, and we will have 2515 hours, and subtract 2 hours and 53 minutes. So students, we will get 1 hour from 25 hours, and that will be 60 minutes, and left over will be 24 hours, and we will add 15 minutes and 60 minutes, that will be 75 minutes, and 253, not 35. 235 minutes will be subtracted, 53 minutes will be subtracted from 75 minutes, and the minutes will be 22, and hours are 24, and subtract 2 hours, and we will have 22 hours and 22 minutes previous day. So the starting time will be 22 hours previous day. C part is, a company paid $250,000 for an advertisement that lasted 38 seconds. Calculate the cost correct to nearest $100 for each second of the advertisement. So students, the cost is equal to, quarter means 1 by 4 of 1 million mean $1 million. So students, when we divide 1 million with 4, we will have $250,000, and the time for advertisement is 38 seconds. We have to find the cost per second. So students, cost per second will be $250,000 divided by 38, and the answer will be 250,000 divided by 38, and it is $6,578.95, as we have to round it up to $100. So it will be, this 7 will give the carry to 5, and we will have $6,600. So the answer is $6,600. D part of the same question is, the program showed an athlete running 100 meters, measured correct to nearest meter. So students, distance is 100 meter, and it may be 104 meter, rounded it off to 100 meter, or 99.5 meter. It is the smallest value that is rounded off up to 100, and it is the greatest value that can be rounded off up to 100. And time is rounded off up to 0.1 second. So time is 11.3 second, rounded off up to 0.1 second. So the maximum time that will be rounded off up to 11.3 will be 11.34 second, and the minimum time that is rounded off up to 11.3 second will be 11.25. So students, we have to find upper bound of the average speed, and you know that speed is equal to distance over time, and maximum distance is 100.4 meter, and the minimum time is 11.25 second. So when it is divided, we will have 100.4 divided by 11.25, and that is 8.924. 8.924 meter per second is the answer. I will explain it again. Students, if we round off 100.4 meter up to meter, that will be 100 meter. If we round off 100.5 meter up to meter, it will become 101 meter. So keep in mind that the upper limit of 100 is 100.4 and the lower limit is 99.5, because if we round off 99.5, it will be 100. So students, upper limit of distance will be divided by the lower limit of time, and the average speed is 8.924. I hope that you have understood all the parts, and if you feel any kind of difficulty, you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can mention your problem in the comment box. And if you want to watch this video in Urdu, that video will also be uploaded on the same channel. You can watch in Urdu as well. And at the end, I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.